Mingalawa, Happy New Year 2025. So we're gonna start back. Okay, so welcome to everyone who's catching up with me. And we have already covered from week 1 to week 6. So I will go a little bit back for week 6 for conversational, spoken language, and script. Then we will continue for week 7. So it's a new year. So you keep up for last year from week 1 to week 6. So this is from week 7. As I mentioned at the beginning, probably for a beginner level, you might need to go for a year. Then you will get the level. You know all the consonants, vowels, can read and write, and conversational, fundamental spoken language. You understand, you can speak. So as I mentioned, practice is a key, consistent is a key. So you practice with the local native speaker. That will be much better if you have a chance. Okay. So in week 6, what we learn is what are you studying? What are you learning? In Burmese, ba tenile. So what is ba? Study or learn is thing. Yeah. Ba tenile. And you can say ba tenile kamya, ba tenile shin in a polite way. Yeah. And you will respond, I'm learning Burmese. So in Burmese, how you going to say it? Myanmar Zaga Tenide. Zaga is a spoken language. Okay, so Myanmar Burmese language Tenide. Or you can say the Chinese language. And Tayou Zaga Tenide. Tayou is a Chinese language. Someone may ask, is Burmese language difficult to learn? So in Burmese, how you say Myanmar Zaga Ket la. Ket is difficult. So remember, ket is difficult. The opposite of difficult easy. So that is loe. Okay. Or you can say makepu. If you put ma is a negative. Makepu or loe. So that is easy. So you might say, oh, it's not difficult. It's easy. So you might say makepabu, makepu, loe. Yeah. So makepu, loe. If you want to ask someone, what are you learning? What are you studying? What language you are learning? So in Burmese, how you say, you mean kamya jano and mean kamya shin. Yeah. So mean ba nile, mean yo ba nile, or kamya ba nile, or shin ba nile. So that's you can ask. Then we cover the numbers, so 0 to 100, right? So just go back to a little bit review. 0 we call in Burmese is Tonya. 1 is Ti, 2 is Ni, 3 is To, 4 is Li, 5 is Nga, 6 is Cha, 7 is Kone or Kon, 8 is Shi, 9 is Ko, 10 is Tase. So if you want to say 11, Tase is a 10, so that you take the last number. Set Ti, and 12 set Ni, 13 set To. So you take the continuously. Set Ti, set Ni, set To, set Li, set Nga, set Chao, set Kon, set Shi, set Ko, and 28 Nase. Remember, Se is a 10, 10 series. Nase. So if you want to say 30, Tonze. For 40, Lize. 50, Ngaze. 60, Chause. How about 63? Chao Set Do. So you take Chao Set and you put Set. Chao Set Do. Yeah. So 24, Naset Li. Remember, you are going to take 0 to 10 again. So 20 is Naset. So you put it Naset Li. If you want to say 37, Tong Zet Kong. If you want to say 88, Shit Set Did. So the key to remember is, start remember Tonya to 10. Tonya did ni to li nga cha kong shit go the say. then you should remember the 20 to 90. 20 we call 20, 30 we call 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100 we call 100. The sequence, the logical sequence flow. If you want to say 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, so on, so on. Then when you get to 1,000, we call the town. Town is 1,000. Town. Okay. So say is 10. Okay. Ya is 100. Yeah. Town is 1,000. Town is 10,000. And then thing is 100,000. And then million is 10. Okay, this is 10. So what you have to remember is cell. This is the 10 series. Say, ya, tao, tao, they, 10. So 0 to 10 we call a ku. Okay, ku. That is 0 to 9 actually. Ku. Ku means 0 to 9. So if you want to remember ku, say, ya, tao, tao, they, 10. So that means 0 to 9, say is tens, the same as say 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. The 100, 100, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. And when you get to 1,000, we got the town. Keep going. The town, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 10,000, the town. The town, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. 100, the thing. The thing, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. The 10, 1 million. Yeah. The 10, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. That's enough. Okay, that's numbering. Then we can go to the billion later on. Okay. So that's from up to week 6. So this week 7, what we are going to learn for a conversation is I have around 10 sentences. Okay, so we're going to start sentences, then we will move to the script. Yeah. So the first one is you asking the questions. Okay. Where is a pen? Remember, we know the pen is how do you call a pen in Burmese? Is a pounding, right? So ballpoint pen is ball pen, right? So we call it, let's say in here, ballpoint pen. Yeah, so that's to make it easier. Okay, pen is like the one you write with the ink, so that is pounding. But ballpoint pen is, we call it ball pen. Remember, ball pen. This is what we call. We already learned the vocabulary. Ball pen. Yeah, ballpoint pen. Where in Burmese is Bema. Okay, where in Burmese is Bema. So you know this one, ball pen. Yeah, so that's we call it a ball pen in Burmese. This is the way how you pronounce ball pen. Where is Bema? Yeah, ball pen Bema. You put a question mark, remember, at the end. Le. Boban Bemale. Bobin Bemale. Bobin or Boban. Right? In the conversation, you say Bobin. Bobin Bemale. Bobin Bemale Kamya. Bobin Bemale Shin. And then you say the ballpoint pen is here. Yeah? So the ballpoint pen is here. The response will be or there. You remember? We already learned about here and there, right? Previously. So you say bobbin is here. So you say in Burmese, it's the conjunction is a ka. Bobbin ka. Here is dima. Yeah, dima. There is ho ma. Yeah. So here is D, there is ho. Bobbin ka dima ba. Bobbing got dima ba. We put ba at the end to be polite. Bobbing got dima ba kamya. Bobbing got dima ba shin. Bobbing got dima. So that means you say just in a straight way. Bobbing got homa. Yeah. So that means dima homa. Then if you want to say respond, bobbing is on the chair. So if you want to say ballpoint pen is on the chair, right? So the chair we say in Burmese is, remember, kalatai. Okay, kalatai. So try it. Bobbing, conjunction, bobbing got kalatai, but you don't know about on. Kalatai apo is on upper, okay? Bobbing a kalatai boma, she there is she there means is present, yeah? Bobbing a kalatai boma, so that means you say that just bobbing is there. Bobbing is on the chair. And if you want to say in the full sentence, bobbing a kalatai boma, she there. Okay, so review back three questions and I respond. Where is a ballpoint pen? You say bobbing bemale. Bobbing bemale. Ballpoint pen is here and there. Bobbing here. Bobbing dimaba. Ballpoint pen is there. Bobbing humaba. So ballpoint pen is on the chair. Bobbing kalatai boma shide. Bobbing kalatai boma shide. Yeah. And the next one, the next three sentences is asking the questions. Or do you want to take a photo or are you taking a photo? So the question is, do you want to take a photo? Take a photo or do you like taking a photo? So how you say, do you already know the you is, you can say me kamya shin. Okay? Photo, you know already they say that is photo is depo. Yeah, depo. So main, let's say in the main depo take me yai chin la. Yai, okay. Main depo yai chin la. Yai chin. Chin is willing to, yeah. Yai is taken. So yai have another meaning. If you beat someone or if you smash someone, you also say that word in yai. Okay. So or if you take a photo, we also say yai. And you can say min dapong yai chin la. Chin is, you remember this one. Chin is willingness. If you want to, right? So if you want to ask another question, do you want to eat? So you mean that you want to eat meat? Tamin. Eat meat. Remember, we always say that tamin is rice, but we say rice is a rice and curry together. We don't say meat tamin and hin sajin la. We don't say that. We say rice. Meat tamin sajin la chin. So do you want to? Do you willing to? Sajin la. Do you want to go? Tuan chin la. Chin is like that meaning. Okay. So main dapong yai chin la. Main dapong yai chin la. And then you might say, yes, I want to take it. Yes, I will. I want to take it. I will. So that means jano in a male context or jano jama or jama in the female context. Jano yai chin ba de, yai chin de, jano yai chin de. So that means you repeat that and then put there. That's affirmative saying that there is affirmative. You yai chin de. La le is a question mark. Yai chin la, yai chin de means you say yes. You repeat the verb, and then you say de is yai chin de. Okay? Do you want to take a photo or you like to take a photo? Me dapo yai chin la, and then you say yes, I will. Chano yai chin de, yai chin ba de, chano yai chin de, no? Okay? So next one. Remember today we are asking the question about where, right? Where means Bema, okay? Where is Bema? Remember that's keyword. This is where is Bema, okay? So Be is, you're asking the direction. Ma is a conjunction. Where is the Bema, okay? So let's say the question is where is Gotron? So Gotron is a person name, right? So the guy whose name is Tron. So Ko in a Burmese way, we try to put ko in a yan, yan mei context, up to, from 20 to around 40 each, or 30 to 40, right? So then you put u is from that age to the older people, okay? So in a polite way, we say that, but we don't have in Western. You put it, the Mister, or you only ask the first name, okay? So where is Gotron? So you repeat the Gotron. Gotron Bemale. You put where. Remember, we put le is a question mark. Gotron Bemale, yeah. And then the answer is Gotron is in England. Yeah, Gotron is in England. Yeah. So this is your response. Then someone responded, and then you say that in Burmese, Gotron. Yeah. Gotron ka. You put ka mean the position there, the position of the where he is. You want to say the precise position. Gotron ka England ma. England ma ba. Yeah. Ba is the polite way to stop the sentence. England ma means is in the in England. So if you want to say like is Gotron is in French, is in the French, you can say that Gotron ga ပြင်သစ် French in Burmese we say ပြင်သစ် Gotron ga ပြင်သစ်မှာပါ. Or if you want to say Gotron is in Myanmar, okay, so Gotron ga Myanmar ma ba, Myanmar Nangan. So the country we call in Burmese is Nangan, okay. So Gotron ga England ma she there, you can put a she there at the end. She there means the present there, yeah. Is he or he lives present there. She there, remember she is present. Gotron ga England ma ba, or you can say Gotron ga England ma she there. There is, remember, there is the end of the sentence. You are affirmatively saying that it is a positive there, right? Le is your question mark. Okay? Le or la is a question mark. Gotron ga England ma shi de, Gotron ga England ma ba. Yeah. Then next one, you're going to ask again where, right? So where is my eyeglasses? Okay, and where is the toilet? So you start with where. You ask. This is important, right? So where you know how to ask it in Burmese. Where is it is in Burmese? If you know that where, and you put a vocabulary, and even you can say the broken word, so people will understand what the question is about. Where is the eyeglasses, right? The eyeglasses. Remember, we already learned about eyeglasses in Burmese. How do you call eyeglasses? Myepman, right? Myepman, right? Myepman. Okay, so where is the eyeglasses? Okay, Myepman. Remember, you put this one again, and you put here, and you put le at the end, right? So this is the methodology how you do the sentence. Myepman Bema le. Okay, Myepman Bema le. Put the object, the one you're going to ask, at the beginning, and then put the where, and then put le at the end. So that will be a question. So if I want to test where is a toilet, so you're going to know how to call toilet in Burmese. Toilet is we call ainda. Okay, ainda. Okay, ainda. Try it. Ainda bemale. Okay, ainda bemale. Where is a toilet? Or if you want to ask where is an airport? Airport is in Burmese leyin. Leyin is aeroplane. Port is queen. Leyin queen. Leyin queen bemale. Okay. So if you want to ask where is a school? School in Burmese we call John. Something John. Okay. John. Let's say John. John bemale. Or if you want to ask what is a shop? Shop in Burmese we call Zizai. Zizai Bemale. Okay? Remember, I'm only showing here, but we will learn the vocabulary. And then you want to ask where is, you always have to remember this keyword. Bema, and then at the end is a le. Okay? Bemale. and then you put whatever the word you want to ask. Toilet ainda bamale. Okay, and if you want to ask the eyeglasses, myetman bamale. Okay, that's the when you always put the object you want to ask at the beginning, and join with the bemale. Okay, so that's the question you need to understand. Yeah. Next two walks. Where is Myanmar? Someone is asking the country, right? Okay, where is Myanmar? Okay, remember this is Myanmar is not the language in this context. This is referring to the country, right? So where is you already know that this is we're going to put Bemale, right? This is going to put. Then you need to know Myanmar is Myanmar. Myanmar Bemale, you can ask that, but if it's more precise, we put a Nangan. Nangan is a country, right? So Nangan. Okay, Nangan is a country. Myanmar Nangan Bemale. If you want to ask where is it China? Tayok Nangan Bemale. If you want to ask Australia, right? Where is Australia? Australia Nangan Bemale. Okay, then the answer is like Myanmar is right. Myanmar is between Thailand and Thailand and Myanmar is between Thailand and let's say India. Yeah, so Myanmar's got a bordering country around, right? Thailand, India, China. Yeah, so you know the geography, right? So Myanmar Nangan, you repeat it. Myanmar Nangan ga is, you put a ga, right? Myanmar Nangan ga Thai Nangan, right? The Thai is a country. You repeat the Nangan. Myanmar Nangan ga Thai Nangan and ni. Thai Nangan ni. India Nangan. Between is called Jama. Right? Between in Burmese Jama. Okay, this is in between. Myanmar Nangan ka. So you just put in the position. Myanmar Nangan ka Thai Nangan ni. Ni is and, right? And is ni. Myanmar Nangan ka Thai Nangan ni. India Nangan between Jama Shide present. Okay, so Myanmar is in between Thai and India. So Myanmar, you say in Burmese, Myanmar Nangan ga Thai Nangan, Thailand is a country, Thai Nangan, ni is a and, right? Thai Nangan ni, India Nangan, Jama Shide. Jama is in between. So remember, Jama is in between. If you want to say something in between, we put Jama. Okay, if ka is the point of the position. Okay, Myanmar Nangan ga Thai Nangan ni, India Nangan, Jama Shide. Okay, let's go through for today conversation again. Then we're going to do the script after this. Okay, so the first one is today keyword is where. Okay, where we say in Burmese is Bema. Yeah, question N is le. Okay, remember Bema le. Okay, where is the ballpoint pen? Ball pen Bema le. Okay, so ballpoint pen is here. Ball pen ga Dima ba here. Ballpoint pen is there. Ball pen ga Homa ba. Ballpoint pen is on the chair. Ball pen ga Kalatai Poma Shide. Poma is on. Shide is present. Ball pen ga Kalatai Poma Shide. Where is Koton? Asking about the person. Koton Bemale. Koton is in England. Koton ga England ma shide. Koton is in Burma or Myanmar. Koton ga Myanmar Nangan ma shide. Yeah. Where is the eyeglasses? Myanmar Bemale. Where is the toilet? Ainda Bemale. Where is the book? Saok Bemale. Okay. Where is Myanmar? Myanmar Nangan Bemale. Myanmar is between Thailand and India. Myanmar Nangan ga Thai Nangan ne India Nangan Jama Shide. Myanmar is in between Thai and India. Myanmar Nangan ga Thai Nangan ne India Nangan Jama Shide. Okay, that's all for this week for conversation. Yeah. So we're going to go to the script, just a little bit revise where we up to, and then we're going to learn 3 words today. Yeah, 3 consonants. So we have 33. Remember, we have 33. So when you practice a script, I always say that write and say together. Yeah. I will go with the longer version, and I will come back with a shorter version. Okay, whatever we cover, then we will go to the new one. Okay. Kaji, kagwe, kange, kaji, nga. Salo, sale, sagwe, saminzwe, nya. Tatalinje, tawimbe, dayinga, dayimo, naji. Tawimbu, tasindu, dadwe. That's what we reached to, yeah? So in a shorter version, let's go through it. Ka, ka, ga, ga, nga. Sa, sa, za, za, nya. Ta, ta, da, da, na. These two are the same. Ta, ta, da. So these are the same. These are the same in the shorter version. These are the same. Yeah. If you want to group together, these two are the same in the shorter version. These two are the same in the shorter version. These two are the same in the shorter version. So this is a short one. Nga, nya. Okay. Na. Okay. We're going to learn another 3 words today. Okay. This is ka, ka. These are the same. Ka, right? Ka, ka, ga, ga, nga. This is the same. Sa, sa. This is the same. Sa, za, nya. This is the same. This one da. This is da. This one da. Da, ta. These are the same. Da, ta. Da, da, na. So these two are also the same. Da, ta, da, da, na. And also this one da. Da, ta, da. Okay. So we're going to learn today is the next one is what we call in the longer one how you write it. You got a four lines writing paper, right? So we're going to write in here in between. So like a O, right? So you go like that and then you do it here. So how the arrow goes are right in the bigger one. So you go here and then go this. Okay, this is we got a da. Okay, and then in longer one we say that da or chai. So da or chai. Okay, in the shorter one we say da. Okay, da or chai. Da or chai, da or chai, da or chai. Sometimes we call da chai. But in the, if you say properly, dao chai, dao chai, dao chai, dao chai, dao chai. Right. There is another one similar to that. If you remember, this is like this. This is we call a sa lo and also sa. So the inner one is in this side, but this one should be on the bottom. Okay, there's a difference. So dao chai, dao chai, dao chai, dao chai. Or in the shorter one we call da, 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 da. Yeah. Okay, next one is you write in this way. In the 4-line context, you got that, right? You start with a little curly thing and then you draw this and then you got that and then you come to here. So I'll write in the bigger font. So you go start with this, you go this, and then you go this, and cut that. So the arrow format, you start from here, go around there, and here. So you have to be vertical. This is the frame. You have to be same line. So you don't write like this. This is wrong. You don't write like this. This is wrong. So you have to be start with here and end here. You see, this is the same alignment. So that's we call, in the longer one we call it na nge. Okay, na nge. Okay, so you write like that, na nge, na nge, na nge, na nge. Okay, so try again. Try to write it again. Na nge, na nge, na nge, na nge, na nge. In the shorter version, we call na. This is shorter, we call only na. Remember the previous one, we have a na ji. This is na nge. Ji is in Burmese the bigger. Nge in Burmese the smaller. So na nge, or in the shorter version, na. Yeah? So the second one, the last one is for today is what we call is how you write it in here, like that. See, like that. So this is going to be the same alignment. Okay, that is what we call is a pa zao. Okay, pa zao, or in the shorter one we call pa zao, pa zao, pa zao, pa zao. Pa zao, pa zao, pa zao, pa zao. Don't go like this. This is wrong. And then don't go like this. This is wrong. Okay, you have to be the same on the horizontal, the context. Yeah. Pa zao, pa zao, pa zao, pa zao, pa zao. Or in the shorter way, you call pa, 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 pa. Okay. So okay, let's review today one, and then I will review the whole thing from the beginning to the end for the conclusions. Okay. So the longer one, dao chai, 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 dao chai. The shorter one, da, 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 da. The longer one, na nge, 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 na nge. The longer one. Shorter one, na, 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 na. The last one, pa zao, pa zao, pa zao, pa zao, pa zao. Shorter one, pa, 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 pa. Okay? Okay, so let's do from the beginning to the end, and then we will conclude that. Ka ji ka gui, repeat after me, okay? Ka ji ka gui, ga nge, ga ji nga. Sa long, sa le, za gui, za min zui, nya. Da de lin jai, ta win be, da yin gao, da yin mo, na ji. Da win bu, ta sin du, da dui, da chai, na nge, pa zao. In the shorter one, ka, ka, and put a grouping together, the same one. Ka, ka, ga, ga, nga. Sa, sa, za, za, nya. Da, ta, da, da, na. Da, ta, da, da, na, pa. Remember, these are the same. Da, da, ta, ta, da, 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 na, pa. Okay, so we have finished, right, 21 already for the script. So you have almost halfway over. So we only have 33. Then we will go after this, go to the vowels, and we start writing the the vocabulary and sentences. Okay, so you need to, my advice is from review, you have to go through week 1 to week 6 and also combine with this week, so that become week 7, 1 to 7. You just practice that, right? So as I mentioned, to learn the language, you need to be committed, you need to be consistent, and then you need to be positive thinking. You can do it. Okay, I will see you next week. Thank you.